Yeah, just a quick review of the Willcom CMC joint thumb stabilizer brace. So basically, this is made specifically to stabilize your thumb, and even more specifically, the joint at the bottom, at the base of your thumb, called the CMC joint. That's also known as the carpal metacarpal joint. So that's really what this joint aims to do. How does it do it? Well, it kind of supports the joint. It restricts its motion, so that way the joint can rest, recover. It doesn't get overstressed as you do things. So a few points about this one particular brace. It's got a bendable metal strip in it right here. So once you put the thing on, you can kind of pinch it, and that way you can kind of customize it a little bit for you, get a little custom fit. This one also comes with an elastic thumb sleeve, so you can wear it under the brace. So if you worry about you have real sensitive skin, it's just something that you put on first, and then the brace goes on over that. So it's just kind of like this elastic sleeve, that you can do. It just makes it a little bit more comfortable. So permanent, temporary relief, I mean, how does this work? Well, a lot of times when you put these things on, you get instant relief because you're immobilizing it. But you can't really wear it, day and night forever. I mean, you could. But there's other things actually you can do to support that joint. The brace gives you external support, which actually get internal support. There's a couple muscles you'll actually want to strengthen. And I'll show you, use this as an example, the Healthy Thumb Handbook. Exercise is actually very helpful. There are some things you can do for this CMC joint. If you have a problem in the joint, a lot of times the muscles react to what's going on in the joint, and now on top of the joint pain, you also have muscular pain. And so the muscle can develop a thing called trigger points. So basically there's little massage type techniques you can use to actually work out the muscular pain, work out those trigger points. So that's something you want to do. And sometimes, actually, the problem's all in the muscles giving you the pain. You can work out these trigger points, then you don't even have any pain, despite the fact that you can have arthritis. If you do have arthritis, though, you want to make sure you stretch out your web space, because that's important. That thing gets tight over time. The other thing you can do is take pressure off the thumb joint using a distraction technique. So distraction is where the bones are being pulled apart slightly, a certain technique. Kind of like those inversion tables where you hang upside down. You're kind of just pulling the whole spine kind of apart, the joints and everything, and the discs and everything. So it's like a vacation for the joints, really. It takes all the pressure off the joint. It can relax, recover, circulation's there. It just feels good, too. Good stretch. So there's the technique. Getting maximal joint stability. Okay, so there's a couple muscles here you want to strengthen. One is called your abductor pollicis longus, and it attaches right to the base of the thumb. So you can see right there it goes. This one uses a rubber band for resistance. So you're talking about this exercise takes about 2 minutes a couple times a week. Week by week, as you get your abductor pollicis longus stronger, you're going to get more stability in that joint, and you're also going to get more dynamic stability. So in other words, as you're using it, you're going to get better control over the joint, so you don't get as much extra motion, and that equals less pain. The other muscle is called your first dorsal interossei muscle. Here again, it's the second muscle that attaches right there. Very good for supporting that joint. So here again, this is an exercise you can do for that. So we're taking maybe 5 or 6 minutes a couple times a week. Get good joint stability. The symptoms are going to be a lot less. But yeah, the brace, nothing like getting instant relief. You slap on the brace, you control the motion, things rest and recover. Definitely something that's easy and quick to do. So there you go. Good brace. Check it out.
All right, I'm doing a review on this brace. At first I thought that this Velcro looked pretty cheap. I'm using this on my right hand. But this is super comfortable, and it makes my thumb feel really good. I have some pain in my thumb from doing gardening and some other things, and this allows me to still use my hand. It just kind of stabilizes this area and has totally made me feel better. I love this little brace, and it's a fraction of the cost of what other braces cost. And again, it comes with a whole nother set of this Velcro, which is washable. You can wash it in warm water and then air dry it. So love this brace, highly recommend.
Hi everybody, this is a brace, comes with a spare part manual, and this is for my right. So there you have it. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.